Welcome children. Our next exercise is a formation of differential equation. That is eliminating the arbitrary constants. So solution of an ordinary differential equation can be obtained by differentiating the given equation with respect to x as many times as the number of arbitrary constants it contains. So number of arbitrary constants which is equal to order of the differential equation. So number of arbitrary constant which is equal to order of differential equation. For example, y square equal to 4ax. So we are going to differentiate this with respect to x. We get 2y dy by dx which is equal to 4a. 4a is constant and d by dx of x is 1. So 4a into 1. Here we have 2y into dy by dx which is equal to 4a. So putting the value of 4a. Here we have 4a into 2y into dy by dx. Putting the value of or substitute value of 4a in equation 1. To eliminate the constant. So y square equal to, here we have 4a, we have 2y into dy by dx into x. So to eliminate the constant a, we are substituting 4a in equation 1. So we get cancelling this, we get y equal to 2x dy by dx. Hence equation 1, which is called the primitive of the equation 2. We can take this as 2. So we are going to do exercise 9.3. First 5 questions form a differential equation representing the given family of curves by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b. First question, x by a plus y by b which is equal to 1. Here we have a and b which are arbitrary constants. Here we are going to eliminate this a and b constants. So differentiating this d by dx of, so I'll write it as 1 by a of d by dx of x plus 1 by b of d by dx of y which is equal to d by dx of 1. So differentiating this we get d by dx of x is 1. So 1 by a plus 1 by b. Differentiating this we get dy by dx. So dy by dx which is equal to differentiating constant we get 0. So we write this as dy by dx which is equal to minus b by a. So dy by dx is minus b by a. Again we have arbitrary constants b and a. To eliminate this constant we can differentiate this equation again. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then we get d square y by dx square which is equal to differentiating a constant we get 0. So we have eliminated a and b. Hence d square y by dx square is equal to 0 which is the required differential equation. Second one, y square equal to a into b square minus x square. Here we have two arbitrary constants a and b. We have to eliminate this. So without a and b we have to form a differential equation. So y square equal to multiplying this a into b square minus a into x square. Differentiating both sides with respect to x we get 2y dy by dx which is equal to a into b square. So any constant we differentiate we get 0 minus a, and differentiating x square we get 2x. So we can cancel 2 and 2. So y dx which is y into dy by dx which is equal to minus ax. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Here we have y into dy by dx. So using the product rule. So y into So y into d square y by dx square. So using the product rule, y into dy by dx, u into v dash plus v into u dash. Here y into differentiating this, we get d square y by dx square plus v is dy by dx. Differentiating y, we get again dy by dx. So y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square, which is equal to minus a into d by dx of x is 1. So minus a. So we get y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square, which is equal to minus a. So we have to eliminate this arbitrary constant a. So we can take a from this first equation. So y into dy by dx, which is equal to minus a into x. So minus a is y by x into dy by dx. So substituting this minus a in this equation 2. So substituting minus a in equation 2, then we get y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square, which is equal to, here we have minus a. Minus a is y by x dy by dx. Hence, the required differential equation is y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square minus y by x of dy by dx, which is equal to 0. Third one, y equal to a into e power 3x plus b e power minus 2x. So we have to eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx, which is equal to a. d by dx of e power 3x is 3 into e power 3x plus b. d by dx of e power minus 2x is minus 2 e power minus 2x. So add and subtract 3 into b e power minus 2x. So plus 3b e power minus 2x minus 3b e power minus 2x, which is equal to 3a e power 3x plus 3b e power minus 2x. So minus 2 and minus 3, minus 5b e power minus 2x. Here taking 3 common, we have a into e power 3x plus b into e power minus 2x minus 5b e power minus 2x. So a e power 3x plus b e power minus 2x is y. So which is equal to 3y minus 5b e power minus 2x. So dy by dx is 3y minus 5b e power minus 2x. So again we have to differentiate to eliminate the constant b. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. When we differentiate this, we get d square y by dx square, which is equal to 3 into differentiating y, we get dy by dx minus 5b e power minus 2x. Differentiating this, we get minus 2 into e power minus 2x. So into minus 2. So plus 5 into 2, we can write this as 10. So d square y by dx square, which is 3 into dy by dx plus 10b into e power 2x. So which is equal to 3 into dy by dx plus 2 into 5b e power minus 2x. So we can replace 5b e power minus 2x from this equation. So 5b e power minus 2x, which is equal to 3y minus dy by dx. So we can substitute the value of this here. So we get 3 into dy by dx plus 2 into 3y minus dy by dx. So simplifying this, which is equal to 3 into dy by dx plus 6y minus 2 into dy by dx. So 3 dy by dx minus 2 dy by dx, which is 1 dy by dx plus 6y. So on the left hand side we have d square y by dx square. So we have d square y by dx square, which is equal to dy by dx plus 6y. So we can write this as d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 6y, which is equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. Fourth question, y equal to e power 2x into a plus bx. Here we have two arbitrary constants a and b. So we have to eliminate these arbitrary constants and we have to form a differential equation. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get differentiating y, we get dy by dx. Here we have to use product rule, e power 2x into a plus bx. Here it is u into v dash plus v into u dash. So e power 2x into a plus bx. Differentiating this we get 0. Differentiating this we get b into 1. So b plus a plus bx into u dash. U dash is differentiating e power 2x. 2 into e power 2x. So 2 into e power 2x. So dy by dx is b into e power 2x plus e power 2x into 2 into a plus bx, which is equal to b into e power 2x plus 2 e power 2x into a plus bx is y. So dy by dx is b into e power 2x plus 2y. So again we have b arbitrary constants. Then we have to differentiate again so that we can eliminate the arbitrary constant b. So we can write this equation as b into e power 2x, which is equal to dy by dx minus 2y. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiating e power 2x, we get 2 into e power 2x into b, which is equal to differentiating this, we get d square y by dx square minus 2 into differentiating y, we get dy by dx. Here we have b into e power 2x into 2. So we have to eliminate b. So we can substitute b into e power 2x as dy by dx minus 2y. So 2 into dy by dx minus 2y, which is equal to d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx. Now we have eliminated both arbitrary constants a and b. So we can rewrite this equation as d square y by dx square. Here we have 2 into dy by dx minus 4y. So I can write this as 2 into dy by dx minus 4y. So when it comes here, it is minus 4 into dy by dx plus 4y, which is equal to 0. So d square y by dx square plus minus 4 into dy by dx plus 4y, which is equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. Fifth question, y equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. So a and b have to be eliminated. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So we get dy by dx, which is equal to, here we have a product rule. We have to differentiate this using product rule. So e power x into differentiating this. So a into cos x, d by dx of a into cos x is a into minus sin x. So minus a sin x plus b d by dx of sin x is cos x. Then plus a cos x plus b sin x into d by dx of e power x, which is e power x. So which is dy by dx, which is equal to e power x minus a sin x plus b cos x plus, so e power x a cos x plus b sin x, which is nothing but y. So I can rewrite this as plus y. So again we have to differentiate this equation to eliminate the constants a and b. So d square y by dx square, which is equal to e power x. So using a product rule, e power x a minus sin x. Differentiating this we get cos x. So minus a cos x minus b. Differentiating cos x we get minus sin x. So minus b sin x. Then plus minus a sin x plus b cos x into d by dx of e power x. So which is e power x plus dy by dx. So I can write this as here plus dy by dx. Here minus a sin x plus b cos x into e power x which is dy by dx minus y. So substituting this e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x, transposing this y here. So dy by dx minus y, which is equal to e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. Substituting this here, we get dy by dx minus y plus dy by dx. This dy by dx. And here we can take minus out. Minus e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. So e power x into a cos x plus b sin x, which is nothing but y. Here it is minus. So it is minus y plus 2 into dy by dx and minus y. So d square y by dx square. So which is equal to d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus 2y, which is equal to 0, which is a required differential equation. Thank you, children.